is a different product. There's many on the market right now. So there's the one from OpenAI, which is the DALL-E 2, but there's also Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. There's many others. But I think in the next few years, we're going to see them converge. So you're going to have one interface. And then this interface, it can produce images, text, code, and video, right? Company website, right? And then you have a lot of information about your products and services. And you want to have a chatbot that's personalized to your company. So you could actually use that engine and train it on your own specific data, so that when customers ask the chatbot that you create from ChatGPT, it will answer very, very specific information about Singularity Syndicate is a group or forum or a mastermind, basically, where we come together as community, general people, everyday people. And the idea is to create a more technologically inclusive society so that no one is left behind. Because this is the nature of these technologies are transformative by nature. You just touch on like the jobs that we're going to lose, and we're going to lose. Kind of have the signs of being hybrid these days because we cannot live without our phones. Our total existence relied on this technology. Without it, we feel lost and completely unproductive and ineffective in society. So this is going to continue to accelerate and amplify, and we will be constantly connected. So we will be having wearable devices or probably implants that will if this bank got hacked. And guess what? We have a lot of hacking going around. And every now and then we hear of somebody got hacked. So when people got hacked, when these centralized systems got hacked, whether government or banks or companies or whatever, this database is compromised. So your data is compromised. You could alter it. You could change these records. But on the blockchain, this red ledger is distributed across millions and millions of individual computers and generates so much content. So much data about themselves. They share with the world everything they do. They share their thoughts and pictures and videos. And probably if you connect also this data to their journals, the personal journals, or to their emails and the way they chat with people. And now you could collect a vast amount of data about Jessica and about me and about many other people. And then when you pass away, right? So we have trained a model about you that knows so much about you. Probably it knows more about you. Recently, Buenos Aires, they created a citizen ID based on the blockchain.
Really?
So there's so your ID is not stored in the centralized government. It's stored on the blockchain. And what does this make? This helps in so many ways. First of all, your identity theft and security will become irrelevant. So it's very secure.
Nice.
But number two, once you have a digital identity, you don't need to show your ID, your physical ID, to anybody. Because guess what? When you show your ID, let's say you go to a bar and you show your ID contains your name, your address,
your birthday, everything.
It's so many. Facial recognition will recognize your face. It will match your LinkedIn profile. And in my head, I'm knowing all about you, even as I approach you, as I'm just talking to you. Wow. And this is one way. That's how we're going to be completely connected to these oracles, and we become a hybrid. So we become half human, half machine. And
robot,
we're going to tap into the collective brains and collective knowledge of humanity. It created a huge industry of people operating the computers. Actually, all of the knowledge workers and the white collar jobs right now are people who are operating computers. But then now AI is going to come, and of course some of the content creators, journalists, marketing people, even artists and creative people will kind of like lose their job, or they have to reinvent themselves for the new era. But if we can have it continue, then you probably not like you continue to chat with your grandparents that have passed away a long time ago, and you could continue to talk to them forever.
Wow,
and
that is going to change the world.
Yeah, so that's one of the things that we're
working on.